Wow, guys, this is one of the raddest cars I've ever seen. Now, you guys do know me. I'm obsessed with land yachts, you know, big boats, big Cadillacs and Buicks and all that. But this is unbelievable. And what was you were saying, who built these originally? Was it Ford? Because you said it's got a Ford motor anyway, and it's like a Cobra, and the Cobra was originally made by AC. And who really originally made this design?
So originally, it was in mid 60s, 1965. They rebodied the original Cobras in aluminum, and they made 5 of these for aerodynamic purposes. Underneath,
for racing only, of course.
For racing only, the underpinnings were identical to the Cobra.
Did they race in Le Mans or anything like that? Or?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. This is amazing. Now, is this a car you stumble upon, or this is something you always wanted?
I've been in love with this car since I was young.
I can't believe the rear end on it. I can't believe the rear window.
It's called a camback.
It's enormous.
Yeah, you actually, it's still very practical. You can fit tons of shit in it. Like, it gets you around. It's comfortable. I'm also a smaller frame guy.
Yeah.
So I fit.
I'm sure you'd be more comfortable than me. Like, I mean, the gentleman who's next to me is about, I'd say, 5'8", 5'7".
Yeah.
I'm 6'3".
Fits larger guys. Yeah.
I mean, even the instrument panel is absolutely well done.
Yeah, it was all a vintage option. So I went with all the vintage options, the vintage air, AC, and heat. So I wanted to keep it as original as possible, so to speak. It's still carbureted, but that's
a car of this caliber, I imagine, comes from California or Florida or something like that. Or Arizona.
Is originally based in Northeast U.S. Factory 5.
Wow, Factory 5, eh? I'm sorry, I had a long day. Daniel. What did you say the official name of this car is again?
Shelby Cobra.
It's a Shelby Cobra Daytona.
Yeah.
Now, if I didn't point out, guys, look, there's a Cobra right there, which is really badass. And I filmed a lot of these cars. Extremely popular. They always have been ever since they came out in 1963, 62, I think. And then, of course, Shelby made the the fiberglass version, all that. And, But this is really something I've never seen. You know what I meant when I said fiber fab, right? Because I have an ad from a company that made a similar looking car, but it was a kit car in about 68, 69.
Okay. Oh.
Because I sell. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Because I sell a lot of vintage magazine ads, and sometimes you'll find some really obscure things, like. And it looks very similar to that, and it was their own version of a Ford GT.
Yeah.
Which obviously this has the. I love the touch with the side pipes. That's a really nice. Can we see the 351?
Absolutely.
You said it was stroked to a 406.
408.
Feel free to start it up if you want there. I'm sure my subscribers would love to get a kick out of that, man. This is as exciting as that Di Tommaso Pantera that was here a year or two ago that was all black, but some people didn't like it.
That one. Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Exactly.
The
owner was really nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. It was very humble, but some people didn't like it because they thought it was too modernized. Whereas a car like this is, I mean, look, even the block, you can see everything. This is totally old school.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Fantastic. Look at that, eh? You even have the old school filter on there.
I tried to keep it looking, as close to as I could while still keeping it functional.
What are all these here? These things here?
So this is just it's part of the Willwood pedal box.
Okay.
So that's clutch and brakes.
I'm an artist. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know all these things. I know that's old school too.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, you got a crowd. Now you have to fire it up.
Would you like me to start it up?
I would love it. Then I'm going to get an exhaust note, I would say in the back, but those look like they're functional, eh? So. Danny, you're awesome. Can I call you Danny?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, because you said Daniel. I don't believe in formalities unless it's necessary, The way you're sitting in there, it's kind of like a Viper, actually.
The pedal box is offset to the left, so like your legs are off there.
Oh, yeah. Are you photogenic or no?
No.
Okay, so I just want to get a shot of the steering there. Yeah, man. Now that's some sweet music. I'd like to see Toyota make that. My friend, I gotta shake your hand. I think you stole the show tonight, man. Their jacket alone, I can't stop looking at it.
Thank you.
That's awesome, man.
Thank you.
That is an amazing machine.
Thank you very much.
That is not only that, that's an investment, that's for sure. I would hang on to that for a long time if I were you.
It's going to be a little family heirloom.
I mean, how many of these do you really think there are in this country,
In Canada, there's a lot more on the West Coast, but I would say, I would say under 200, and that would be a high estimate. Yeah, I would say, that would include the Cobras. I'd say probably about 50.
My friend, I'm going to put this video in priority.
All right, I appreciate it.
2015 Shelby Cobra Daytona.
Yeah, by Factory 5.
By Factory 5.
Yeah.
But what was it you said about Pigeon there?
Oh, he was the builder in Quebec that builds a lot of the Factory 5.
Okay, yes, okay, yeah. Factory 5, right. You can turn it off there if you want there. Yeah. Sounds just like a Mustang GT, eh?
Yeah, right.
Mach 1?
Far, but it's not the same sound
No.
as mine.
No. Oh, you're the one that has that awesome Cobra. Was that a 427?
No, I don't need that.